The pressure drop fittings. K-factor. Interactive calculator determines pressure losses through pipe fittings in fluid systems. This calculator has 6 calculation modes. Calculate pressure, drop from K-factor. Calculate K-factor from pressure drop. Calculate velocity from pressure drop. Calculate flow rate from pressure drop. Calculate total pressure drop for multiple fittings, and calculate equivalent pipe length. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Pressure Drop from K-factor. The input fields are K-factor, fluid velocity in meters per second, and fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter. Simply enter your values and click the Calculate button. Let's work through an example. I'll enter K-factor equals 10, fluid velocity equals 10 meters per second, and fluid density equals 10 kilograms per cubic meter. After clicking Calculate, the results show pressure drop 5,000 pascals, which converts to 0.7252 psi or 0.05 thousand bar. The head loss is 50.9684 meters. The calculator also provides a status message, low pressure drop, efficient system design. This tells us our fitting configuration creates minimal resistance in the flow path. This tool streamlines hydraulic calculations for piping system design. Find the link in the description below.